Bonjour and welcome to BSBI Paris. Today we are going to take you to a tour at our campus. Let's go! This is the entrance of our building, and BSBI Paris campus is on the first floor. And this is the entrance for our facilities. Once you reach the first floor, you can find BSBI Paris campus facilities. Come with me! Here you can find the administrative department. They can help you with anything or inquiries that you need. Here we have our IT lab, or as we say in France, the salle informatique. And moving forward, we have our first classroom. Then you can find our Wall of Fame, where we celebrate our graduates' achievement. You can find another classroom here, but what if you need to take a break? Here we have our student lounge, where you can sit with your friend or have a drink and take a snack. Next to the student lounge, we have the auditorium. This is where master classes, special guests, and workshops happen. Coming out of the auditorium, we can find the co-working space. Here is dedicated to help and support students to do the assignments and exciting group projects. In front of the co-working space, you have another sitting area and a classroom. After the co-working area, we can find another 2 classrooms. Salle 3 and Salle 1. And now we just finished show the BSBI Paris campus main building. We have another one with other student areas. Let's check it out. Here we have the cafeteria and the administration office. In the cafeteria, it's a good place for students to bring their meal, sit down with friends, and enjoy and relax between classes. As you can see, we have charging stations, other sitting areas, some microwaves, and also here's the way upstairs to the other administration's office. Here on the first floor, you can find the sales office, the student services, and director's office. Thank you so much for watching our tour at our BSBI Paris campus. We hope to see you soon. Au revoir!